Hi guys, I just got this new product, and this is a magnetic power connector for your iPhone or iPad. It basically mimics what you have on your MacBook Pro or MacBooks. So this is what the packaging looks like. So I think it means that you can go to at least 2.4 amps, the cable. And when you open it, you have this little adapter, and you have the cable. So the standard USB, and this looks just like a MacBook connector. So here's the ingenious part. It's just a little lightning connector adapter. So on the bottom has these, there are 5 gold tipped connectors, and there goes the connector. So to test this, I have a iPad. You can see that it is at 18%. And all you need to do is, this has a little arrow that says that's the top or up, and that's the bottom. So you basically just put it into the lightning connector and it just snaps in. And what I'll be using to test this is my trusty Anker power core and this USB meter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this up, and you see that there's a little dot that lights up, and once you get close it just connects, and you can see that it's charging. And let me just unwrap this. The magnet is actually pretty powerful, so once you get close, it'll just connect, and you can see what it's drawing. 11.16 watts. Basically the maximum, almost the maximum of what it can draw. So this cable is a quality cable. Just by looking at this, you can tell, because the amp is over 2 amps. The only problem I found with this connector is that you gotta find a case that has a large enough opening. So the problem is the Apple case has a really small hole and it won't fit. But here's one that would fit. This is a case that has pretty big opening, and it'll fit perfectly there. So what I could do is I'll show you. And there it goes. And this is charging at under 2 amps, probably because it's already been charged to 60 something percent. You can see 60 somethings. That's why it's charging at around 2 amps. So I can show you how it works on a iPhone. Here's my iPhone, and here's the standard Apple silicone case. It's really big on the bottom, so it works perfectly. And there it goes. You can see that it's charging at 6.5 watts. Really decent. I love it. It's so easy to use. It's great in the car I'm going to show you a video of me using it in the car. You can basically blindly bring it close and it'll just connect instead of having to fiddle with the lightning connector and trying to plug it in. It's a nightmare. So anyway, hope you like this video, and please subscribe for more, and give me a thumbs up if you like it. And I'll have a link below for the product.